just one of those nights. Gotta kick back, pop a beer, and enjoy the evening. Just installed some new lights on my observatory, and I kind of like them. It's just going through display mode right now. I'll pick which mode I want, but it goes through all the settings. Yeah, it's a real good night to sit back and relax, have a beer, look at the moon, because it's up there. Well, I don't want to focus the branches getting in the way, but anyway, that is the moon up there. Back to my observatory. Yeah, just one of them nights. Talk to you later. Bye.